Hey, how's it going, everyone? Justin again, as always. Thanks for watching my channel. Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about why I just simply cannot with Harbor Freight ratchets, and how ratchets are a lot like the women that you date and the ones that you choose to marry or be with for the rest of your life. We're going to talk about how this analogy will help you to better understand where I'm coming from when it comes to my take on ratchets. With that being said, let's crack open our first beer utilizing this really sweet Power Torque bottle opener that I got from my good friend Maxwell Peter. And even better, we'll open up a bottle of Ballast Point Brewing Company. It's called Piper Down Scottish Ale, or Ballast Point. Let's try it out. First time use. You guys see that? There. Oh, isn't that pretty interesting? Isn't that cool? He made that for me. That's badass. Also, he hooked it up with a scraping tool called the Super Scraper. And I'm going to take this to work. I meant to take it in today, but somehow just simply forgot. Got in a hurry, left the house late. But it's called the Super Scraper. It's got this super awesome handle on it. The scraping blade is here at the end. If I'm not mistaken, I think he said that they're replaceable or lifetime warranty maybe. I'm sure Max is watching, so he'll let you know down in the comments. Resharpen any Super Scraper free of charge. It says ITI will resharpen any Super Scraper free of charge. All you gotta do is call the telephone number listed on the little piece of paper that's inside the tube that the Super Scraper came with. So that is freaking badass. So I will be taking that to work. But alright, let's try out this new beer made by Ballast Point. Oh yeah, it's got a nice bite to it. I like it. Really, really solid but bold taste. I was afraid it was going to be a little too hoppy. I don't really care for hops, but it's a stout. It's a very stout beer. I enjoy that. All right, family just got home. Give me a second, and we'll pick up this conversation where we left off. Where were we? Oh yeah, we just got done checking out a couple of cool tools that I got from Maxwell Peter. Family just got home, so just got done saying hello to them. A couple of the other kids wanted to come in, take a look at the bike, so we did that. And we got another package from a good friend of ours, JK Canvas. Let's check it out. Sorry I didn't do the unboxing portion of Maxwell Peters. Meant to. Was over the top excited. And I got his package, I want to say, a couple weeks back or so. Alright, let's see here. Hey Justin, enjoy your gift from JK Canvas. Awesome. Thanks, brother. What do we got here? Oh, shit. I was looking at these on Amazon. Oh, I gotta open this up. I was looking at these. See, man, I love you guys. Thank you very much, JK Canvas. Let's open this up and take a look. Made by Vector Tools, 13-piece rib bit socket set. I think this is gonna need an intermission, and we're gonna need to open this up and take a look at it. All right, 13-piece rib bit set, otherwise known as poly drive, made by Vector Tools. There's the part number. Open it up. Oh, how sweet, dude. How freaking sweet. Cover sizes on the front here. 1/4 inch, RM 4, 5, and 6. 3/8 is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1/2 inch is 13, 14, 15, 16. And a CRV socket S2. Freaking awesome, man. Look at these things. Let's pull out one of these 1/2 inch dogs. Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at that. You know what this kind of reminds me of? These ribs right here are the Max sockets. The eTorx Max sockets that I have. I like that. That's a nice feature because if you just need to unwind something, you get a little bit of a grip. Poly dry, baby. Really, really important when it comes to Nissan flex plate bolts and Audi cylinder heads. So this is definitely, I'm definitely going to get some good use out of this. That's awesome. Awesome, dude. Hell yeah. Cool. Hell yeah. Thank you very much, brother. I appreciate it. I really do. I'm taking those to work with me on Monday, and I'm putting those in my specialty socket drawer for sure. So thank you very much for thinking about me and mailing those out. That's awesome of you. All right, so why I just cannot do Harbor Freight ratchets and how I feel like ratchets are like women. That's the discussion topic for today. So you ever, we know the analogy that I'm trying to go with, so let's just start this off that way. You ever go on a date with somebody and you think everything's okay and everything seems to be going well, and then for some reason or another, like something's either just not there or they burn you. You know what I mean? Or everything's good physically, but just the rest of it's not there, and they just burn you. Maybe they, help you rack up a bunch of debt. Maybe they're seeing another ratchet on the side. I don't know. You know what I'm talking about? So when you get burned by that first date with that person or whatever, and this ratchet, it puts a bad taste in your mouth. It's not like you're going to turn around and go back out with them, and certainly if you find one that's similar to them, you're probably not going to want to go out with them either. It's kind of like a ratchet. I could buy a cheap ratchet, and it might seem like it does its job, if you know what I'm talking about. But once it burns you, once you slip that tooth and bust your hand on something and splay your finger wide open, you start bleeding everywhere, you start to develop a different set of emotional feelings about that specific ratchet or that specific brand of ratchet. See where I'm going with this? Now you fall in love with a completely different ratchet that doesn't burn you, that's there for you when you need it, and it just keeps on working day in and day out, and it never burned you, it never slipped a tooth and busted a knuckle or anything like that, and you use it for years and years and years, and then all of a sudden, over time, and just life has a toll on everything, and it breaks down and finally it dies. The teeth give out, but you've had like 8 years of experience with that ratchet before it finally gave out, and it's disheartening. So you take it to the hospital because it developed tooth slip cancer, and you're trying to get it fixed, and hopefully the tool distributor can fix the ratchet for you. But then what happens if the tooth cannot be fixed? What if you can't get the ratchet fixed? And you gotta rest in peace, put it to the side, and try to find something very close or similar to the same quality of ratchet that you had. That's kind of what I got going on right now. My 1/4 inch swivel ratchet, after like 5 years of constant use and abuse of the daily grind, and it's my #1 go-to ratchet, you guys know it, finally caved. Finally slipped teeth to the point where I can't use it anymore. We no longer have a snap-on tool distributor for me to get the teeth fixed or warrantied out. And yeah, it is what it is. I gotta move on and find a different ratchet. But I tell you this much, I will not be going with Harbor Freight on this one. I will probably look towards maybe Gear Wrench, because they have almost the exact same qualities and features as the snap-on one that I have. I'm not in a hurry to replace it right away. I have a very long snap-on 1/4 inch ratchet that still saves my butt. I just got sometimes too much handle in certain spots. So it is what it is. That's my terminology. That's my take on how I feel about Harbor Freight ratchets, why I will not go with them, and how ratchets are like women. To both Maxwell Peter and JK Canvas, thank you for the really cool tools and the beer bottle opener. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Deuces. Oh, enjoy the weekend.